Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. Bryant Barnes, been here before recently, but he really grew on me here as an artist. Love him. So let's take a look at this song called Give Me a Sign. And if you love my tutorials, then show me that, give me a sign, like, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, like this tutorial in the end of it if you really did. So thank you for that support, guys. Just want to mention it. Now let's move on with the actual tutorial. We're gonna work with bar chords only, so no need for any capo here. We're gonna work high up here in the 7th frets area, so to speak. So let's take a look at the chords, starting now with the E minor 7. All right, so that's a bar chord on the 7th fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this with your index finger. Then you need to add 9th on D and 8th on B. We have the next chord, which is the B minor 7. You stay with the bar on the 7th fret. This time you bar all strings there, and then you need to add 9 on A. Then we have the C major 7. So that's a bar chord, a little bit tricky perhaps, but you play the bar first on the 8th fret. You bar all strings there. Then you need to add 10 on A, 9 on D, and 9 on G. Okay, that's the C major 7. Then we have pretty much 2 chords, but yeah, we'll work with just the bass string. So you actually could hold just like this. You don't have to hold the bar here. So the important strings here will be the E, the A, perhaps the D, but this is what you're gonna kick only like this. So I can just mention it. It's the 5th fret on E string, 7th on A, and perhaps you can go with 7th on D as well. Okay, so you could go with just pointing out this 5th on E. You can play a bar as well if you want to. It's up to you. You take the same grip and move it 2 frets to this position. Oh, maybe I didn't mention the chord. That's the A minor. You move it 2 frets towards you and you get the B. Exact same there. So that gives us 7th on E, the 9th on A, and 9 on D. You could also play the B minor 7 we already learned before. So you can go like this, basically. Okay, so yeah, just 2 bass kicks on these last chords, the A and B. Now let's take a look at how to handle the song. You're gonna play in the same way from the beginning till the very end. So for the first 3 chords, the E minor 7, B minor 7, and C major, you're gonna play 5 fast downs and then just mute it after the 5 down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In that motion. So what I do when I come to the muting, I play my little pinky in front of the fingers, and also I release the tension from the strings on the fretboard. All right, so in that way you kill the sound. You can also enhance it with your strumming handling on top of the string, so everything works together just to kill the sound as fast as possible, like this. Okay, then you go to the next chord, the B minor 7, in the same way. And then you go to the next chord, the C major, in the same way. Okay, and then you have the A and the B, 1 down on each, and there you fulfill 1 chord progression round. Guess what? You play like this from the beginning till the very end. Let's do a couple rounds together. Bryant Barnes, Give Me a Sign, great song, and I hope this was a great tutorial. Give me a like on this one if you want to, leave a comment, and see you soon. Play tuned.